I'm Barry from Ikan, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the new lights that we have. The first light that we have is an HF150. Now the HF150 is our new Fresnel, studio Fresnel, has DMX, has all the features and everything you need. 4-inch Fresnel lens in the front, barn doors, everything else that you're looking for, as well as it's bicolor. So you can actually adjust from daylight to tungsten, 56 to 32. And it's really good for any type of situation where you need to light for backlight or for environmental lighting on set or any type of studio setup. So that's pretty much what our HF150, Helia HF150 does. Secondly, we have a new canvas light. Now our canvas light is what we call our canvas fabric light. And that light is basically the size of a 1x2. And what it does is it's one of those new type of flex lights that you see. Our canvas light, though, the nice thing we like about it is that it actually comes with a softbox, comes with an actual egg crate as well, and then it's easy and lightweight to put up and kind of put in any situation that you might need. Comes with a control box, and it actually does 2700 degrees Kelvin to 6500 degrees Kelvin. So it really gives you an option of color out there. As well as it's also easy to use, and you've got the control box, you've got power. It can run off of a Sony V mount, or it can run off of DV batteries, depending on what your desire is. And again, it's one of those things we like to see used in the interview type situations, as well as if you've got any type of general lighting that you need to do. So those are the two new lights that we have here at Ikan.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.